Hello traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about our two best forex indicators that we use for our forex trading purpose, and it's under use of my many subscribers and all of them are happy with the results. So today we are going to talk about the two different indicators that will give you a direction about the trading. So before I continue with the video, so guys, there is a investor password shared in the description of this video. We are using the EA from the last 3 to 4 months and running very successfully, and that's a very successfully powerful robot. So check the description of the video for all of the details. Investor password is shared. Okay, so let's talk about gold. So gold 30 minutes, you can see if you are a swing type trader, you can use the 30 minutes chart and you can see first of all we had the downward swing, and then after in the downward trend we have received the buy signal, then sell, then here right now we are running into the buy signal. And guys, please note that these indicators never repaints. There is no repainting factor in these indicators, and this is our smart buy and smart sell indicator. However, if we go to the other indicator, that's our moving average indicator, then you will see the signal accuracy which will be much higher, and this is much better because this is used for the swing trading. So you can see that sell signal and gold was down, and now it looks like the market is going towards the buy side. So it doesn't mean you have to buy right now. Let's wait for the signal and then we will be clear about it. Okay, this is the moving average indicator. For this is our masterpiece indicator. You can see the sell is running on Euro USD 1 hour, whereas on the other indicator, if we zoom out our picture, smart buy, and right now we have smart sell. Overall the market is kind of a ranging pattern on Euro USD 1 hour. Let's move to Australian dollar USD. So guys, if you look at the Australian dollar USD, you can see sell signal was running, very good, satisfied. Now buy signal is running, and you can see the market is already pumped up. If we go to the smart buy and smart sell indicator, you can see the smart buy signal come here, and right now the market is up. So this is the beauty from the indicator, that first of all it will point you with a green arrow, and it will also show you smart buy, and then it will continue its trend with the green arrow so that you can stay with the trend, right? Okay, at next we have pound USD. You can see that we have a sell signal on pound USD already down, and then if we go to the other indicator, and I think it's a different time frame. Okay, no, not 15 minutes, sorry. Okay, if you look at here, smart buy is running at the moment. Smart sell was however successful, smart buy not successful, sell however successful. So you can do swing and scalping as per your trading, because it depends on your time frame, which time frame you want to use. Let's have a look on Great Britain pound JPY. You can see a very good clear picture on the chart. You can see it's a buy signal. The market is already up. If we go to the other one, let's zoom in the picture so that we can see smart sell is running at the moment, and this indicator is more aggressive than the previous one. For example, if you look at this masterpiece indicator, you will see less signal, but if you are aggressive and you want to take the quick benefit, even for example, look at here, smart sell come here, but even the next candle was pumped down up to here. So for the scalping chance, if you are a very good scalper, then you can go for this indicator. Okay, so USD JPY, you can see the buy is still running and a very long buy. Look here, we have a bullish crossover and still it has not changed its trend, right? And if we go to here, now you can see there are a lot of signals because it will give you the opportunities as per the within the trends into the both directions, sell and buy. So guys, this is all about the indicator. Rest of all, I have told you that the investor password of our best expert advisor is given in the description of this video. You can check because our expert advisor is at the top, because it does not require any knowledge, any human effort. It is 100% automated. For all details, if you want to get the license of the expert advisor, if you want to get the book the license for the indicators, you can contact us on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are given in the description of this video with our official email. Thank you for watching this video.